Okay, see if it'll start. Do it again.
Turn it on?
Yeah. See, it's not starting.
Turn it all the way up.
Turn it all the way on. So you guys, you hear that rattling? That's the engine. It needs to be fixed, and I'm just asking for help. I just got out of the hospital for almost a month now. I have to have surgery, and there's a lot of things going on with it. And it just shut off. Start it again, Jay.
Huh?
Do it again. Move it.
That light.
Let's see. Come out. Okay, that's coming on. And of course it cut off again. And that keeps coming on. So I'm just asking you guys, just hear us out. Give us a little help. So we can start getting income again. I do DoorDash. And that was a source of my income.